Tozani bogogo nomkhulu salukwazi endoda lesigogo bathini bathi mawuvula kufanele emsinamadoda u-Auntie Usha. Guys, if you know of anyone, or if you are running a business, or you know of anyone who's running a business, it doesn't matter whether they believe in God or in ancestors, in Muti or not. Please share this video with them. Please share this video with them, because I woke up with something that I always had in my mind, but it was like, when something it's time around it's placed in your brain, in your vocab, in your thoughts, like boom, it was not just a dream, but it's something that I believe it was just brought to me and somebody said, talk about this one, and talk about it this way. I wish I had a board there, and so that I can write this is what I'm talking about. But I'll do little bit of notes while I'm sharing this video, so that I can remember everything as I've written it when I woke up, because I keep a journal. I always have something next to me. Is either I put it on the phone, or I wake up and draft it, or rather transfer it. Because when I write something down, most of the time I normally say I'm saving it. It's my hard drive that I save it to. I need a right pen to write this one, so that I don't miss everything. Right, guys, you are running a business, right? Let me put this way. Let me say business owner, right? You are the business owner. You want to, no, I put it wrong. Let me put business owner in the middle. I want you to write this down, guys. Get a book. If it's A4, it's good enough. But if it's like this, you've got A5, just open 2 pages and put it this way, so that the business owner, you write it here, and then I'll tell you how to think about a business when it comes to what is happening around a business, right? Then we say business owner, right? Business owner depends on clients, stroke customers, then suppliers that he supplies, whatever you call it, but suppliers and clients and what basically is a one thing, right? So the business owner gets their services behind them, which means it's either a wholesaler, seller, or stroke manufacturer, right? When as a business owner, we are here in the middle. So the manufacturer, it might be the manufacturer, the wholesaler, it might be the it might be the a tender, municipality, a company that supplies you with work. Maybe we are not doing a service. Maybe you're doing a service-based business, rather not a product-based business whereby you go to the wholesaler and order, right? And then at the whether it's a tender, it's a municipality, it's a government, it's a company, let me say stroke company, they are people. Then our arrows now, they come to people. There are people that works there, right? From people, and then we go up and we say they coming from families, right? They come from, these people, they come from families, right? I know you won't see it well, but here we've got a business owner. Above the business owner, their business will only survive if this business, it has a company behind it that they supply to customers, a wholesaler, or no, it's a company, wholesaler, or manufacturers. Above that, we have what you call people that are working for these entities, right? And then these people, they come from different families. We put the families on top, right? So why I put it this way, somebody might say, no, but customers, wholesaler, what if this business supplies that? Yes, there are wholesalers that supplies other wholesalers, right? Let's go down. Then we have clients, we have customers, we have suppliers that we supply from the wholesaler, and what we supply as well. But let's wrap this thing up and say there is a chain. We are dealing with a chain. Let me do my drawing of a chain. A chain. There's a chain that we belong to. I want you to listen to this one very carefully, because most of the time we think witchcraft comes from a person that is using muti against you personally, like directly to you. No matter what, you can't run away from it. Others, they are not there. Others are shy when wedwa. Others, it's because of you are inside this chain. I want to do it on a different color, this chain, because this chain, it's a double chain that we are talking about. It's a double chain. So why I'm saying it's a double chain is because this chain, the first chain, it's when it's a green one. The first one, it's a green one. The first chain, it's you not having any protection for your business. That's the first chain. On top of that green chain, we have a red chain, in which is what you're supposed to do, right? I'm coming with this slowly but surely, right? Within these chains, I'll put ambo X. Within this chain, it's things that everyone in this chain, within this cycle, is doing. Remember, abathakathi labantu, they are not coming to you. No, because everybody here wants to be happy. Everyone here wants to be happy. Everyone here is in this equation to make money. Everyone is in this equation to make money, right? So if this chain, if you find yourself here, whether you are a family member, whether you are in business, whether you are in wholesaler, whether you're a customer, client, stroke, a supplier, what, you are in trouble. Lalela, you are in trouble. Why I'm saying you are in trouble, it's because for whatever business you may think about, because of there are people behind it. We have people behind it. Behind this chain, behind any business, it doesn't matter what business you do, there are people behind. And it makes things too lock. Gogo, are you smoking impepo again? Or Gogo, are you back in alcohol? Gogo, sober? Sober, sure, Gogo, are you sober? I've been sober since 8 o'clock this morning, because I woke up at 8 today. I was a bit tired. I've been sober since 8 o'clock this morning. I think now it's just towards 10. But so far, I'm sober. And I'm not drinking today. So, this 10 is like this. These people come from these families. In these families, we have cultures. We have rituals. We have things that we are doing as a family. Let's concentrate on what I specialize in traditional help as a traditional healer. So in this family, thina siyagcaba, siyaqina, we do deep cleansing every time. If we want something in this family, we use muti for us to get that thing no matter what. We are not using witchcraft. We are not using black magic, which means we are not using stuff that will injure other people. No, we are simply protecting ourselves. Family B is doing what is called inkani. They're using inkani. They want to take things, whatever, whether they belong to you or not. They are so selfish. They want things to come to them directly, no matter what. Then we have a family C. They're doing nothing. No, they're not bothered. They're doing nothing. No, they wake up. They don't go to church. They wake up. They do their job and everything. And things are happening for them. Or things are not happening for them. Doesn't matter. Right? Then from these families, there are people or family members that will go where? To work. Now we are here on people. They are from these different families. Now they are going to work here. They are going here to work, right? And as they work, they are sourcing business from business people. And as different wholesalers, they are owned by people. Those people, they hire people. Then we go to a business. That business, the owner of that business is using something to get discounts, to get jobs, to get what? I want to supply that wholesaler. I want to get a discount when I buy from that wholesaler. Whatever it is, they're also using something. Then we have clients that still use something to say, I want to get something there. No matter what, I want to do something there. If I take a credit from those people, I don't want them to remember me. When they try to chase me, I want them to be bankrupt. I want them to do what? They are doing all the evil things you can think of. Here's the question. Do you think your business will survive without a business cleansing? Do you think your business is going to survive without a business cleansing? Or rather, you have a question. Gogo, what is that has to do with me? That is when you find yourself, all these things that these people are using for themselves, they're fighting each other. They're fighting each other. And if you find yourself not being strong enough, you are going to be affected. When these things, they fight each other, you are going to be affected because we are not using the same ingredients when it comes to mixing in meat. Other muti, they have animal fat, which means most muti, they have animal spirits. So these animals, they now fight against each other. Then you find yourself being what? Then you find yourself being what? A victim. Unfortunately, that's where you find yourself. You didn't plan this. It's not muti that came to you to say, hey, we want things to go bad for him. What. They're using muti. They send it to you. No. It's these things that are fighting around you and you get to die for nothing. I'll give you a typical example. Toxic workplace. Toxic people. They are bewitching each other left, right, and center. Have you never heard of something where somebody says, it's heavy on that office? It's heavy. It's not something that is for you. No, It's animals that are now fighting each other because they are fighting for their position. Remember, at the end of the day, on that thing, draft that I did, people end up fighting for one thing: income, money, mashangurana, chelete, madi. At the end of the day, they are just fighting for that. Nothing else. They just fight for that. Everyone wants money. And for them to want money, they want money from the business that they are running, from the wholesaler they're working for the government department that they're working for. Have you ever sat on a tender desk? Have you ever sat on a tender desk and you need to sort out the tender documents and everything? There are documents that are heavy. Lalela, there's envelopes that are heavy. You're seeing, there are envelopes that are heavy that you cannot just pass. You know, when that envelope gets to you, you'll open it and then ube a strong one, you become a bit dizzy. And they just say, deal with this one, let me go and make tea. God, did that person, they wanted to do that. The owner of the thing didn't do that. Or maybe the owner did something on that envelope. And then the people getting tenders, and then you ask yourself, how did that person get a tender? What happened? Why did this one got that thing, that order? And that thing happens even digitally. You open emails, but there's this one looks as if the name of the person on that email, you know, on the or on the subject, it is like it's bold, and it's not bold font. No, it's a plain font, but that's how they are dealing with Muti. That's how they are managing the system. And then you just open it, and suddenly you end up dealing with one document, and that person gets a job. The next thing, that person was more expensive. You didn't open other emails, which means you have a deal with that person. No, you don't have a deal. If you were once accused at work for that, tell them to say you want people to you want to that decision to be reviewed, where now you have a deal with Usman Ban. This thing can happen through Muti. So everybody in the equation, guys, they want money. Unfortunately, they want money. This is nothing that has to do with direct Muti that comes to you. It's not a witchcraft that was designed for you. No, it's a witchcraft that was designed for the money that you are going to be involved in, for that money to end up, or the majority of that money to end up to Ubati. They are dealing with the process. And then you are part of the process. You are not the decision maker, but you are part of the people that are decision makers. And sometimes you are not a decision maker, but you can sit from the distance to say, man, let me see this document, and this person, you start writing now. No, man, this is my job. What? You can see there's something wrong, but something says, or you see what's something wrong, you want to talk, but suddenly you are coughing. You are coughing. You go to hospital, they prescribe this. You are sick of this, what? No, you are disturbing the process, Baba. Yeah, you are disturbing the process. Yeah, they're dealing with you. That's the only thing I can tell you. Then you end up not knowing what to do. That's how actually other people, they end up drinking too much, because of the process is dealing with you. I'm not saying don't go and be an alcoholic and say Koko Watinembata says the process is dealing with me. I didn't say that. The process is dealing with you. So we need to be careful when it comes to issues of us being in workplace, in a business place. Doesn't matter where you are. In closure, guys, every one of us needs a deep cleansing. Once in a while. Every one of us needs a deep cleansing. Unfortunately, guys, there's nothing else I can tell you. There's nothing, there's no other way. Everyone needs. And people will say, but Mina Koko, I'm working for government. The government is not a business. But in that government department, guess what? Angithi there's a procurement department. Angithi you need to buy tissues, you need to buy that, you need to buy that, you need to buy that. And you have people that are IT specialists. You need using computers. And those computers need to be bought. You're using cars. You need to buy those cars. You are using some certain equipment. That equipment needs to be bought. Somebody must pay for that, for those equipment. Whether you are working for a police department, you are using firearms. Those firearms, they don't belong to government. Government bought them from a certain company that must come and do a presentation to say why they feel you need to use these equipments. So everything and everywhere we are is surrounded by people. Unfortunately, you are not alone. You are not in your own cubicle alone, in your own department, in your own office alone. But mina, I'm working from home. I don't connect with people direct. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter even if you don't work with people direct in the office space or at the shop. What you are working from home. You are working from home, dealing with people. There's no email that you are dealing with that is only about AI. Even if it's an AI that you're communicating with, getting payments, everything, that system is so accurate. There's somebody behind it that is setting it up, that has set it up to do what it does when you're working with it. So stop running away to say, but this one's not affecting me. I trust people that I work for and everything. Get a cleansing before it's too late. Because people, they relax and then at the end of the day, banye. Why? It's because they are careless. They are careless. They saw this thing coming. They are aware of this thing is going to happen. But they've decided to ignore the red flags. Uguti, I need to do something about this. I really need to wake up. I need to put things together. I need to know. I need to be organized in all angles. I need to be organized. I cannot just relax things happening behind my back or in front of me and just relaxing. Coco, I'm just a nurse and everything. You are a nurse, you are a doctor, you are dealing with people, other people that you are dealing with. It's not a medical condition that they are suffering from. It's a traditional condition that they're suffering from. For the fact that you've touched that wound, and they know when you specialize in wounds or whatever you specialize with, for as long as you can touch that person, even if you can wear gloves, as long as you can touch that person, already somebody said, even that doctor must go. Even that nurse must go. Even you must kick the bucket. Gogo, my surgery was coming well. I sometimes get messages from people who are in a law firms, lawyers, Gogo, my law firm is not doing well and everything. Hey, dude, we are dealing with law, dude. And we're running away from law with Muti. We are dealing with cases. And those cases, your client, let's not go to the who's fighting with your client. Your client is using Muti against you for you to do your level best. That one, they're using Muti against your client and yourself to lose the case in court. Go busy. It's pity. It's pity. So if ever you are not equipped, if you are not equipped, if you are not using anything, hey, usenkingeni. There is no profession under this planet that does not need Muti. You can go and lie with your friends with doctorates or puppy traits of ostrich traits. It doesn't matter. Go and argue with them, not with me. There is no profession under this planet that wants nothing to do with Muti. There isn't. But there is a stubborn person. There are stubborn individuals that are behind, that now are behind those professions, that they think what they know. Hey, Tina, sitila nabantu abakumanya level. And I'll ask myself now, I'm going to how? Even this profession, uyo kubisi, kunzima, kumatimba. And in closure, I know now I'm talking like a politician. In closure, there are people that are dealing with your healer. They are dealing with your healer. So if your healer is not smart enough to protect themselves beyond people they are protecting, there are countries that I don't talk about, that I go to those countries for moi, for me, for myself. Lalela ngithi, there are countries that I travel to that I've never made a video when I get to those countries. And no one knows that I go to that country or I went to that country, because I'm going for moi, for law, for me, for myself, so that I'm able to assist you no matter what. So if I can go to that extent, and it's not a cheap exercise to do, but I'm doing it to protect my profession, because this is my work, this is my gift. If I don't protect myself and wait for my grandmother, ugogo will make a plan. Ugogo will make a plan. No, they start with that gogo. Let me leave it there. If you are in business, you know somebody who's in business, and even yourself, somebody's looking for that job. The position you are in, somebody's looking for that position. Someone is looking for that position. Someone is looking for that job. Exactly the job that you're doing. Whether you are a cleaner or you are a CEO, somebody is looking for that job. Whether you are a security guard or you run a security company, somebody is looking for that tender. Someone wants to get you out. Have you ever to see the latest stats for people who are unemployed? Have you to check the stats of people who are unemployed? It's shocking. It's shocking how many people are losing their jobs. It's shocking. And within those numbers, have you checked how many people they've lost their jobs because of witchcraft? There should be. I don't know the percentage. I'll be lying to you. But the percentage, I think, is shocking. It's shocking. So when you are relaxing there, you are relaxing when you are down to earth, you sharp when. You are relaxing when you don't care, you don't when you are right in your own space, you are confident when, and you think when it's not going to happen to you. Okay. Oh yeah. You know, sometimes things that we're dealing with, guys, they are not funny. To be honest, they are not funny. But you can tell, look at him. This person is careless. This person, they saw this coming, but they were too relaxed. They saw this coming. They saw it coming, but they were just relaxed. They were at home. Things are happening. There's a video that I did where I spoken to you guys to say, do people are happy that you are getting married? Your people are happy your daughters are getting married. Your daughters are leaving their home, and you've got new daughters, which is Abomakot. Do you think your neighbors, your family members are happy for that? When things are happening, do you think they're happy with your child is working? I'm still on that. Carelessness of people. Guys, we are careless. Guys, we are careless. We are careless, and we don't care. We don't care about us the way we came to care about us. You wake up every morning to take a bath, to brush your teeth, to wear fresh, clean clothes for your hygienic part of things. What about your spiritual part of things?